Okay, so in here we've got German German sausage, mushrooms, onions, courgette, red pepper and yellow pepper. So I'm gonna fry this with different seasonings and then boil some pasta and then mix them together with some cream cheese. And I've got some parmesan in the fridge as well that I'll put into that as well. And I will fry, I'll fry that stuffing seasoning. Okay, so this is starting to sizzle. Starting to sizzle. And so I've got black peppercorns, smoked paprika, onion granules, mild chili, pepper. Wait a minute, we don't need two. Okay, pepper and Worcester sauce. This kind of tastes like brown sauce. Okay, just a little bit of chili powder. There we go. Pepper. Okay. Garlic. There we go. Plenty of garlic. Smoked paprika. Okay. And Worcester sauce. Okay, so our vegetables and meat is done. Now we have pasta. This is Parmesan cheese. I just grated it with a cheese grater. Really fine cheese. Also have some mozzarella and Philadelphia. This is cream cheese. Okay, pasta is cooked and let's put it in here and then mix the cheeses in. Gonna make a pasta bake. Okay, the cheese is in. Just need to give this a good mix around so it's all combined. Okay, so I have some cheese grated. This is going to go on the top, and the parmesan is also going to go on the top. And then here I've got some mozzarella. So I'll break this into little pieces and just dot it around the pasta before putting the last layer on top. So I think there's way too much in here for this oven dish. So let's just see what we can fit into it. Yeah, there's going to be a lot, a lot left over. A lot. Hold on. All pasta, and there is some left in the pan. Okay, and now we sprinkle the grated cheese over the top. And now the Parmesan. Okay, there we go. And we just need to put this in the oven. When the oven is preheated, this goes into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and now this goes into the oven. Okay, that's too high. Goes into the oven for, let's see what it's like after 20 minutes. And here we go. Cheese pasta bake with German sausage, red pepper, yellow pepper, onion and courgette, and a few different types of cheese. Let's get a portion out. You see the top part goes all toasted. You see how it makes the pasta and cheese kind of browned. Okay, I think I put a bit too much cheese on the top because it hasn't cooked through properly. I mean, it is cooked, but it didn't get cooked the way it should have, because the heat must have been. It was blocked from the heat because of all the cheese. Oh well. Yeah, it doesn't look too appetizing now. No, it doesn't look too appetizing. Okay, so I put some Scotch bonnet hot sauce, you can see there, and I also put mayonnaise over it and tahini seasoning, which is like chili and lime. So it's like cheesy pasta bake.
No, I like cheese.
You don't like cheese? Oh, there's a lot of different cheeses. There's like three different cheeses in it.
Are we good to get?
Yeah, go on, yeah. So there's German sausage meat, courgette, red pepper, yellow pepper, onion, and the pasta with 3 different cheeses. It's like mozzarella, and I can't remember the other one.
My congratulations to the chef.
No, I'm not chef. Hello, Reginald.
Bloody hell.
Nice eye. Can you taste the chili? It's got chili and lime seasoning. Chili and lime seasoning.
It's one of them where you can't wait till you're swallowed to put some air in your mouth.
Aye.
Okay, fill your mouth up.
Not for you, Reginald.